Today we're going to move on to focusing on systems of inequalities. So the first thing we're going to focus on is identifying solutions of systems of linear inequalities. A system of linear inequalities is a set of two or more linear inequalities in the same variables. So we notice in this example that the variables are x and y. A solution of a system of linear inequalities in two variables is an ordered pair that is a solution of each inequality in the system. That means it has to be a solution of both inequalities. It has to make both true. When I'm given a graph of that same system, right, points that are solutions are any points that are in the shaded region or on solid lines. Points on dashed lines are not included, right? So remember, dashed was an open circle because it wasn't included. So if we look at an example, if I have a graph, I can tell if a point is a solution just by graphing that point and seeing if it's in the shaded region. So for letter A, the point 3, 5, if I was given this graph, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 5 is this point right here. It should be a solution, right? Let's check or prove that it's a solution using the equations also. So to do that, I know what x and y are, and I want to fill those into my inequalities. So if I fill in 5 for y to the first inequality, it would say 5 is less than 2x, but I know x is 3. Right? That means 5 is less than 2 times 3 is 6, and that is true. And we want to check the second inequality also. So the first inequality and the second inequality, y, so 5, is greater than or equal to. X plus 1 would be 3 plus 1. Right? Is 5 greater than or equal to 4? Okay. So tell whether the ordered pair is a solution. I would say, is the ordered pair a solution? Yes. Right? 3, 5 is a solution. But what about negative 2, 0? Right? If I look on my graph, where is negative 2, 0? Well, negative 2, 0 is this point way over here. That's nowhere near my shaded region, so this one's not going to work. Let's show or prove using the inequalities that this one doesn't work. Right? Sometimes I might not be given a graph, right? Or sometimes this is a good option I could use to see if that section of my graph is shaded or not. I could pick a point in the section and test it. So if I fill in negative 2 for x and 0 for y in the first inequality, it would say 0 is less than 2 times negative 2. 0 is less than negative 4. That's not true, right? I don't even have to check if it's in the second inequality, right, if it makes the second one work, because it doesn't make the first one work. So it has to make both inequalities work to be a solution. So this one is not a solution. See if you could try a few practice problems.